Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to a Bitcoin update. And I do see Bitcoin trading at 27,120. It's been a little bit of a bloodbath at the moment, and I do think that we're starting to potentially lose this neckline here, and Bitcoin is coming down, but we really haven't closed the candle just yet, so it's a little bit early to say. So we're going to see if today you can come down and take this low and try to move even lower, and then back test this neckline again, and then finally drop down to some of the areas that we never really back tested when we were moving to the upside, which is going to be somewhere down here at 24,130 or 24,000 and $200. So these are the places where I do believe Bitcoin might be able to try to come down to and drop to only for the head and shoulders at the moment. So there's nothing much. I'm not going to go into any details at the moment. We've talked about Bitcoin in the past as well. So you got this high frequency doji. You're still holding a little bit of that support line at the moment. And then from here, we're going to see what happens. So keep in mind, move to the downside, breakdown, take this low, move back up to retest, get rejected here, and then finally drop down 24,132. And that's it for this quick one, just a comment on it. And I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.